Anybody is doing Whoville this year, my grocery store, Tom Thumb, has this adorable Grinch pillow. I think Tom Thumb is also Safeway and maybe Albertsons now. Anyway, it's here if anybody wants it. Okay guys, getting ready for day 2 of our install. I am throwing on some makeup. My hair's filthy and of course, well, they don't know that they are the official shampoo of Turtle Creek Lane. But dry shampoo, this is the bomb. Yeah. Okay. All right, so decorating the gingerbread house today. Found these cute dog frisbees that I'm using as like the little neckos and putting them up here on the roof to create this necko effect. And I'm not sure exactly how the insulation was going to work, so I decided to use glue gun instead because I don't know if insulation can actually be an adhesive. So anyway, I think it's looking really cute. What do you guys think? Okay, the concept is Santa just landed on the ceiling, on the roof, not the ceiling, the roof. And I have to decorate. Kimmy does not like this sleigh.
Uh-oh.
But I told her it's just the shape. I can totally decorate it, make it look absolutely adorable. And anyway, and then we have some presents in there. We get little reindeers to go there. We stuff this full of paper or something. Maybe even have a present or two coming out. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay. So as not to waste. Oh my gosh, what is this like? It's like, okay, I'm not sure.
I don't think that's gonna work.
We are making progress, figured out how to get the insulation. We're doing it right up here. I think it's looking super duper cute. Let's start over on that spot. Hey, we are making icicles that are going to be hanging on the roof of our gingerbread house. Look how cute it's turning out. I'm so excited.
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
I think it looks so good too.
Is that icicles?
Those are, you think they're icicles?
Oh.
They are icicles. Hello. You like it?
Yes.
Also, before I forget, I am announcing the winner of the giveaway tonight. Kimmy and I made icicles today, and we're interested to know which do you think looks more like an icicle? With it more triangular at the top, or with it just kind of more straight? Vote. Which one? All right, Steven and I just hung the icicles. Okay, this is my dilemma though. I have some really cute bouncy balls, big balls, these ones right here, that I was gonna put up on the top, but then I also have this really cute sleigh that I can put Santa and the reindeer with presents in it. So I need you to vote which one you like better. Okay, prototype of option 1 with the balls. Or option 2.